the baby hair. It's not the baby hair for me, okay? It is not the baby hair for me. It's not the baby hair for me. Ooh, you need some water. Hello, my name is Zikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on this Outre Color Bomb Stina wig. So we're getting ready to go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and install the wig, and then I'll be coming back after the installation to give you my pros, cons.
Do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both.
Alright, so I am done from installing Stina. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So Stina is giving it to us. So excuse my voice, I'm just getting over being sick, so if I'm sounding like a frog, it's because I sound like a frog. I really am, okay? But I wanted to get back into it, so let's go ahead and go through it. So Stina is a part of Outre's Color Bomb collection. I'm a big fan of this collection because I love to play with color and wigs, and I feel like this wig delivered on everything that the prior wig that I reviewed from the Color Bomb collection, Tayton, did not. So this wig is 12 inches. I am reviewing her in the color 1B3DR Cherry Bomb. She is very beautiful. The texture on this one is more of a yaki texture, but it's not so yaki that for those of you who love Silky won't like this one. It is nice. As you can see, I can't stop playing with it because she's super cute. She is styled in an A-line bob. As you can see, when I took her out of the packaging, she was a little poofy in the crown, but she really is a nice unit. The lace on this wig is HD, but I did not, as you see in the installation, have to worry about like tinting the lace or anything like that. All I did was go in and put some Fit Me powder in the part to open the part up. That was it. She did have baby hair. She had a ton of baby hair. I feel like it was actually baby hair mania with this wig, and I did not care for that. The wig is big head friendly. There's plenty of room, so you won't have to worry about it. If you are one of my girls with a bigger head and thicker hair, she is going to fit on you just fine. She also takes heat. As you've seen in the installation, I put heat in there because she was so poofy in the crown. I just wanted to take and flatten it out more in the crown because if you watch me live, you know that is a telltale sign you have a wig on. So I was able to put heat in there to help flatten that out, and that was good. The peekaboo color on this is really pretty. I love the colors, and I love that, you know, it's keeping up with the trend and doing what it's supposed to do. So we love that. The density on this wig is just a normal natural density. As far as the cap construction goes, it is enclosed. You have this middle part which cannot be shifted because of these ends and the A-line in the back. It'll be thrown off, so you do have to just go ahead and rock her in the middle part, but you can add accessories as far as like putting in barrettes or a headband if you want to do something different with this unit. She has the 2 combs on the side, the 1 comb in the back with the typical adjustable straps. Also, what I liked about this is at the nape of the neck, it has those smaller hairs so that you don't have to worry about the wig getting so tangled up as you're wiring it as you're wearing it, excuse me, all day, rubbing against the back of your neck. So I thought that was a nice little touch to this unit. Again, as far as styling it, it was super easy to do. As you've seen the installation process, it was pretty quick. And if you don't like rocking a ton of baby hair like I don't, what you can do is like what I did in the installation is I went ahead and put my wax stick on top, and then I just took my hot comb and use the hot comb to rub the baby hairs back into the wig. So as you can see, they'll stick into the wig instead of coming out, and you don't have to worry about like cutting it and doing all those kind of things. So that's just a little tip that you can do to do that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons of Stina. For the pros, I think Stina is a beautiful wig. If you want to get on the trend right now of trying these peekaboo colors and play on colors with wigs, I think she does it in a nice subtle way. She also has fun colors, but they're not too out there. So they're basically primary colors, but they are colors. So if you know, tend to be a little bit more on the natural side with your wigs, but you do want to do something that's a little bit more spicy for the summer, I think this wig is great because it gives you that without being over the top. You know, the color is peekaboo, and again, they are colors that are pretty, so you can find something that's more natural, not too loud and not too over the top. It was an easy install, as you've seen. All I had to do is cut the lace and throw her on. You don't have to glue her down. You don't have to do a lot of blending and tinting as far as lace and things go like that. I think Stina really gives you what the Color Bomb collection is supposed to give you. Nice style that is affordable and easy to put on. As for my cons, really the only con I had is she was really poofy in the crown, and a poofy wig in the crown is very much a telltale sign that you are wearing a wig. So just going in there and having to do that. And then the baby hair. The baby hair on this is a little much. Okay, it's a little much, so you can just go ahead and cut the baby hairs off if that's what you want to do to get rid of that con. But really, those are my only cons, you guys. And of course, when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic bag that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk line bag that I invented to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that it would do if you were to place it back into the package that it came out of. So if you're interested in Silky sacks and some of the other fabulous products that we sell to keep you looking good in your wig, you can go ahead and check out the description box. The link to the website is down there. And now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my Silky Chick shout out. And today's shout out is going to a Silky King, y'all. A Silky bro. That is Sammy the Great. Thank you so much, Sammy. I see you commenting on everything, supporting everything, watching everything. I appreciate you and I love you so much for doing it. So if you have made it this far and you have not clicked that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and become a part of the Silky Chick family. We come to you every Monday and Friday with these videos. So I would love to see you down there in the comments so you can get a shout out too and become part of the fam. And if you're watching over on Facebook, hey you guys, I love you over on the FB too. So that is it for this video. Make sure you let me know what you are thinking of the unit, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Right now, I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both